is the only natural satellite of Earth. It orbits around Earth at an average distance of 384,399 kilometers, 238,854 mi, a distance roughly 30 times the width of Earth. It completes an orbit lunar month in relation to Earth and the Sun, synodically, every 29.5 days. The Moon and Earth are bound by gravitational attraction, which is stronger on the sides facing each other. The resulting tidal forces are the main driver of Earth's tides and have pulled the Moon to always face Earth with the same near side. This tidal locking effectively synchronizes the Moon's rotation period, lunar day, to its orbital period, lunar month. In geophysical terms, the Moon is a planetary mass object, or satellite planet. Its mass is 1.2% that of the Earth, and its diameter is 3,474 km, 2,159 mi, roughly 1/4 of Earth's, about as wide as the contiguous United States. Within the solar system, it is larger and more massive than any known dwarf planet, and the fifth largest and fifth most massive moon, as well as the largest and most massive in relation to its parent planet. Its surface gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's, about half that of Mars, and the second highest among all moons in the solar system after Jupiter's moon Io. The body of the Moon is differentiated and terrestrial, with only a minuscule hydrosphere, atmosphere, and magnetic field. The lunar surface is covered in regolith dust, which mainly consists of the fine material ejected from the lunar crust by impact events. The lunar crust is marked by impact craters. Some younger ones feature bright ray-like streaks. The Moon was volcanically active until 1.2 billion years ago, surfacing lava mostly on the thinner near side of the Moon, filling ancient craters, which through cooling formed the today prominently visible dark plains of basalt called Maria. Seas. The origin of the Moon is not clear, although it is thought to have been formed out of material from Earth that was ejected by a giant impact of a Mars-sized body 4.51 billion years ago, not long after Earth's formation. From a distance, the day and night phases of the lunar day are visible as the lunar phases, and when the Moon passes through Earth's shadow, a lunar eclipse is observable. The Moon's apparent size in Earth's sky is about the same as that of the Sun, which causes it to cover the Sun completely during a total solar eclipse. The Moon is the brightest celestial object in Earth's night sky because of its large apparent size, while the reflectance, albedo, of its surface is comparable to that of asphalt. About 59% of the surface of the Moon is visible from Earth owing to the different angles at which the Moon can appear in Earth's sky libration, making parts of the far side of the Moon visible. The Moon has been an important source of inspiration and knowledge in human history, having been crucial to cosmography, mythology, religion, art, timekeeping, natural science, and spaceflight. The first space flights to an extraterrestrial body were to the Moon, starting in 1959 with the flyby of Luna 1 sent by the Soviet Union, and the intentional impact of Luna 2, followed in 1966 by the first soft landing by Luna 9 and orbital insertion by Luna 10. Humans first arrived in orbit with Apollo 8 sent by the United States on December 24, 1968, and then on the surface with Apollo 11 on July 20, 1969, making the moon the only celestial body beyond Earth that humans have visited. By 1972, 6 Apollo missions had landed 12 people on the moon and stayed up to 3 days. Renewed robotic exploration of the moon, in particular to confirm the presence of water on the moon, has fueled plans to return humans to the moon, starting with the Artemis program scheduled for the late 2020s.